Hey, this is Judah Mantel from SceneForge Studio, the all-in-one platform that makes it easy, fast, affordable, and fun to get started with real-time virtual production and previs for films, games, immersive experiences, and attractions. Now, this is the first in a series of updated tutorial videos that goes over version 0.4.0 and later. Now, if you don't know what that means, then this is the video for you. You can get started right away, and this will go over how you can actually get up and running with SceneForge. Now, there are some videos that were made previously that go over other aspects of the software, like storyboard and shoot mode. Those things are pretty much exactly relevant still. It's mainly stage mode that has the UI overhaul that will be relevant in these videos. In any case, you can just keep watching through the playlist and everything will click as you watch through them. So let's jump right in. SceneForge is broken up into three main sections. We have stage mode, which you can see over here. This is where you actually build your scenes. We have storyboard mode, which is where you actually create your storyboards and lay out your shots in order. Then we have shoot mode, which is where you control your currently active camera, as you see right here. There we go. So this allows you to control the active camera in your scene for use with the timeline, as well as storyboard mode, taking shots and things like that. Now, up at the top, regardless of the mode that's currently active, there's a bunch of options to the top right. We have the scene selection dropdown. This is where you can change which scene is currently active, as well as create new ones in your project. You can open up the projects folder in Explorer using that little button. Then we have the settings pop-up menu. This will show a little options menu for things like VSync, UI scale if you're working on bigger or smaller displays, and render scale, which is the actual graphical scaling of your 3D scene. And then, of course, you can also just click this button to send us a little note, whether it be a feedback on the app, bug report, feature request, whatever it is. Your email address and system information will be sent to us, so that is incredibly helpful as we work on improving the product. Next, we have this button, which will open up the documentation website. It's worth noting that these videos are made more frequently than the documentation is updated, so if you want the most current information, I recommend watching this YouTube channel. You can, of course, exit your project with or without saving, and, of course, save your project with this big button over here. It's very recommended to do so often. And so with that, that is a very, very, very basic overview of SceneForge Studio, what it does, and how it is laid out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.